Do you find it impossible to get good definition on your washing goals? Well, watch this video then. So you want to start on soaking wet, freshly washed hair. I usually wash my hair, then deep condition, then rinse it out. I'm going to start with some leave-in conditioner and focusing on the ends of my hair first, and then working the product through the rest. Then you just want to take a medium-sized section and put the rest in a ponytail, or you can pin it up, whatever you like. You want to make sure that you're soaking your hair. And with the curl enhancing smoothie, start from the bottom with the product and work your way up. Once you've worked in the curl enhancing smoothie, now you want to take your Eco Styler gel, take a good amount, and start at your roots and then smooth it down through the rest of your hair. Then you're going to grab your brush and smooth it down from your roots first and then detangle the rest of your hair. Then you're gonna add more gel and you're just gonna smooth down your hair where it naturally separates. If you don't smooth down your roots will get really puffy and the style won't be as defined. It's okay if you don't get it perfect, you just don't want to have too big of sections clumped together. You want to try to get each individual curl so you can maximize that definition. And you're just gonna do this throughout your whole head. And then I'll show you again up close in the front.
Got pride. Switching up shit is what I can't fuck with. I'm feeling you, but you hard to get in touch with. And you ain't hit me up in a while. Acting like you don't know a number but a dial. You quit, then that's it. I'ma throw in the towel. Cause a nigga only gon' do what you allow. You don't want this gun smoke. Been a text with your nose if your thumb broke. I don't care if we get into it and I stall on your ass. But I still wake up to miss calls from your ass, nigga. No more. You don't make it real. Now you won't have to call me, cause I'm looking at these messages, they on me. Acting like they ain't niggas that want me. Let another nigga in your spot, and you gon' be hot, nigga, call me. You gon' be sick to your stomach. Hit me when you free, 1-800. It's emergency, call me 911. Cause right now I'm out here tryna find someone. The ring on my phone, ring on my finger. You acting like you ain't tryna do either. What's a good girl? Watch me turn diva. Here goes my heart.
Then when you get close to the front, you're gonna want to part where you usually like to wear your parts. I like a side part, so that's what I do. So again, soaking your hair with water, using the curl smoothie, starting from the ends and working your way up, using the gel at your roots, bringing it down, detangling, and then smoothing down each section of your hair where it naturally separates, defining each curl, maximizing that definition.
Got pride. Switching up shit is what I can't fuck with. I'm feeling you, but you hard to get in touch with. And you ain't hit me up in a while, acting like you don't know nothing but a dial. You quit, then that's it, I'ma throw in the towel. Cause a nigga only gon' do what you allow. You don't want this gun smoke, then the text with your nose so your thumb broke. I don't care if we get into it and I stall on your ass, but I still wake up to miss calls from your ass, nigga. No more. Oh, oh, you don't make it ring, 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 ring. I can't keep this on the low. I want you to make it ring, 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 ring. Nah, nigga, nah, you gon' have to call me. Cause I'm looking at these messages, they on me. Acting like they ain't niggas that want me. Let another nigga in your spot, and you gon' be hot, nigga, cough me. You gon' be sick to your stomach. Hit me when you free, 1-800. It's emergency, call me 911. Cause right now I'm out here tryna find someone. The ring on my phone, ring on my finger. You acting like you ain't tryna do either. What's a good girl? Watch me turn deeper. Here goes my heart. You don't hear my line no more. Oh, oh, you don't make it ring, 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 ring. I can't keep this on the low. I want you to make it ring, 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 ring. You used to be on my line, on my tip all the time, yeah. Love it when you make me feel like you don't mind when I ain't got time for you. You know it don't go to my head. I'm only ever getting in bed.
So after you're completely finished shingling, you just want to seal the style with oil to add some shine. Allow it to completely dry when you're done, making sure you keep your hands off of your hair. You can either diffuse or let it air dry. I like my hair to air dry, which takes about 7 hours. You just want to put it in a pineapple and put your bonnet on and go to sleep for the night. When you wake up the next day, shake, 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 spray, shake, shake, shake. And then you're just gonna want to add a little bit of oil to your hands. Add it to your hair and just try to break up like the parts that form in your roots. And then shake, shake, shake. And you're cute. Yay.
Like you don't know nothing but a dial. You quit, then that's it, I'ma throw in the towel. Cause a nigga only gon' do what you allow. You don't want this gun smoke, then the text with your nose so your thumb